Yo, what's really good, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to do a quick update on the Robinhood UK launch situation. So if you want to know all of that plus more, like, comment, subscribe, help the channel get to 6k subscribers, and we can get the world of investing out to more people. Listen, Robinhood have pushed back their UK launch. I've received many comments over the past few months, I would say, as you know, the initial launch for Robinhood was meant to be late 2019, then it got pushed to early 2020. You know, we're now comfortably in Q2, and obviously there's not been any real forthcoming information from Robinhood, but I am on AltFi right now. I'll leave the link in the description. And it says the popular US stock trading app was set for a UK launch in the first 3 months of 2020, but has pushed back the date. Obviously they've announced they've pushed back after the first 3 months. It's obviously been missed for, you know, whatever reason. Yes, markets are down and very volatile, but fintech firms offering cheap entry into the stock market are looking like beneficiaries of the recent turmoil, especially compared to other digital disruptors. Robinhood, one of the most eagerly anticipated new launches in the space in the UK, with plans to take on the likes of Freetrade and Hargreaves Lansdown, is delaying its launch. And then, you know what, it just talks a whole bunch of waffle, and then it goes back to say a spokesperson for Robinhood says any timing change was not related to COVID-19 or recent outages in the US. And then it goes on to talk a little bit more waffle. Listen, from my perspective, I think Robinhood have done an extremely poor job in actually keeping everyone abreast on, you know, progress, which I think is, you know, a bit of a minus point for Robinhood in that context. There's over 160,000 people on their waiting list the last time I got an email from a referral, and obviously that's a lot of people wanting to know, you know, the progress with the application and so forth. So it's a little bit disappointing that Robinhood wasn't more forthcoming, and on a month-by-month basis they haven't given us information. I've tried to do a little bit of digging and even tried to reach out to some people to get some substantive information, with no avail, unfortunately. What I have been able to find though is that there has been a limited amount of staff within the UK for Robinhood. So I have a sneaky suspicion, and again, this is just complete hyperbole, this is complete conjecture, I'm not saying this is actually the reason, but I do have a feeling that the staff members that they would need in order to run Robinhood UK, they have struggled to be able to staff that up for whatever reason. Obviously I don't know the internal reasons, and so probably because they don't have a full team in place in order to be able to manage it, whether it's from an engineering, finance, operation, product, sales and marketing, whatever, you know, discipline, probably because they don't have a full team set up in the UK. I'm feeling, and because of my research and some people that I've reached out to as well, that it's probably due to that. So I do believe it's to do with, you know, lack of staff, and if it is that, then it's probably something that they're not going to voluntarily mention or bring out there. But they could obviously say, you know, we're looking to continue the launch, but we're delayed for XYZ reasons, and, you know, don't have to go into too much detail, but at least let people know, you know, why. And it is pretty disappointing because obviously there is a lot of people looking, you know, forward to Robinhood. You know, you got to remember some of the key benefits of Robinhood. It's 3,500 US stocks, you've got 1,000 global stocks, you've got crypto, you know, you've got no commission, you've got no FX fees as well, which is going to be good when you're purchasing, you know, all those foreign stocks, all those UK stocks, sorry, US stocks. And then you've got, you know, the whole Robin Bad gold situation, which is going to give, you know, level 2 market data, and also the option to margin trade as well, which, you know, for some people is going to be, you know, obviously a lot riskier, but, you know, give them the opportunity for much greater return. So there's a lot to be excited about with the Robinhood launch. There is definitely a lot to be excited about, but obviously it's pretty disappointing that they haven't come with a lot more information. I know all of you asked me this question, you know, what am I planning to do? I've mentioned it in my previous Robinhood videos. I have no interest in leaving Freetrade whatsoever. My ISA, my tax-free savings, you know, me building up that portfolio for the very long term, is always going to maintain, and it's always going to be there, barring some, you know, crazy situations. So I will continue to have Freetrade, but I think it's always good to potentially have this Robinhood opportunity, you know, to see what stocks are available, to, you know, potentially have a different side portfolio for a different purpose, and you know, just play around with it and see what it's like, to be fair. So you know, I'm definitely going to obviously still wait, and you know, hoping that more information comes soon and the launch isn't going to be too far delayed, but at this current moment it's not really bothering me that much. It's just a little bit annoying that they couldn't be a bit more forthcoming. But yeah, that's all the information there is for now. If I have any more information, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Hope you found this video useful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time with another investment video. Peace.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.